Is it time to buy or sell NXT Technology Holding stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NXT Technology Holding. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has classified NXT Technology Holding as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 689.3% since we first recommended purchasing NXT Technology Holding 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 68.93% each day since it was rated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction as it has the potential to move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 24.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 100% to negative 24.4%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 66.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 73.19% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and 63.3 cents. Our latest daily update for NXT Technology Holding includes the headline, Volatile Ride for NXT Technology Holding Incorporated, stock price on Friday, moving between 0.282 and 2.83. The NXT Technology Holding Incorporated stock price gained 661.29% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, rising from 0.310 to 2.36. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or takes a short break in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 902.12% from a low of 0.282 to a high of 2.83. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a total gain of 686.67%. The trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which serves as a positive technical indicator. In total, 169 million more shares were traded compared to the day before, with a total of 169 million shares bought and sold for approximately $397.87 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6 and the lowest price was 0.220. Currently, the price stands 60.67% or $3.64 below the 52-week high and 64.56% or $4.30 below the all-time high reached on the 3rd of April, 2024, when the price peaked at $6.66. NXT Technology Holding, trading under the symbol NXTT, has released its second quarter earnings report for 2024, revealing a loss of $1.92 per share. This disappointing earnings result is likely to impact the stock price negatively in the short term, as investor sentiment may be swayed by the reported losses. A sharp drop in earnings often leads to concerns about a company's financial health and its ability to generate profit in future quarters, which can deter potential investors. In the immediate aftermath of this report, we could see heightened volatility in NXTT's stock as traders react to the news. Analysts may also adjust their forecasts and ratings based on this performance, potentially leading to further selling pressure. However, it's essential to consider the long-term implications. If NXTT can effectively address the underlying issues contributing to these losses and implement a robust turnaround strategy, the stock may recover over time. Investors who maintain a long-term perspective may look for signs of improvement in future earnings reports, which could provide a buying opportunity if the stock is undervalued in light of this earnings miss. In summary, the negative earnings report is expected to lead to a short-term decline in NXTT stock price, but the company's future performance and strategic decisions will play a critical role in determining its long-term trajectory. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to NXT Technology Holdings stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NXT Technology Holding. NXT Technology Holding Inc. stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of 0.595 and 0.345. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 913.31%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. As the price rises, so too does the trading volume, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 129 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 61 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NXT Technology Holding. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.55 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 902.12%. For the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 186.37%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NXT Technology Holding, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NXT Technology Holding. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly if the conditions are favorable. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It's essential to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to manage such scenarios. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.29, reflecting a decline of 3.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 99, further heightening this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Next Technology Holding stock a good buy? Next Technology Holding Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate. At this current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting either to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments, due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical picture. We have adjusted our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that Next Technology Holding will open lower by 536 0.10 and begin trading at $1.82. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it's essential to consult a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.